Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be doing a demonstration of how to remove a stuck or seized engine oil dipstick. This is a method which will help avoid breaking the plastic handle, which would then require a replacement. So unfortunately, on my 2007 Volvo C30, the dipstick most likely wasn't removed in a long time, and considering the car is due for an oil change, I need to be able to remove my dipstick in order to check the level. These can seize up over time, either from the O-rings becoming swelled, they dry out and stick in the metal tube, or the inside of the metal tube forms some type of corrosion. Do not force it out as it can break off the plastic handle. This would be more complicated to remove, and you would require a replacement. As you can see, this car has somewhat of a tight space. There is no need to remove the whole tube assembly. I will be doing this procedure while it's in place. Remove any components which may make accessing it a little harder. For this, I will be using a heat gun in order to help assist it out. Typically, these will have a slight opening around the top edge between the plastic dipstick casing and the metal dipstick tube. Using a penetrating oil, apply it around the edge so it's able to weep inside. This will provide some lubrication for the O-rings for easier removal. Considering this is such a tight space to work, I am also using a shield to help protect any surrounding components from the heat so nothing gets damaged. This is just an aluminum expandable duct, similar to what you may find on a dryer vent. It can be easily formed, and the size is adjustable. I have also cut one side open, so the diameter is adjustable too. Next, using a heat gun, heat up the top of the metal tube. This is where the seals are located for the dipstick. Do not heat up the plastic handle as you may melt or damage it. A small propane torch can be used if you're extremely careful. Oil is flammable, and we are working within close proximity with other components, so a heat gun certainly is a much more safer route. After a minute, try to pull up the dipstick. If you are still having issues, apply more oil as needed and continue to heat the area. As you can see, mine is already removed. Clean away any buildup on the dipstick using a clean rag. I don't recommend sticking anything inside the dipstick tube unless you remove it from the engine completely. Usually, removing the dipstick a few times should help loosen its fitment. If the O-rings are damaged, then replace as needed. Apply an oil to the sealing surface, and engine oil for this is fine. It's important to keep the area well lubricated, and the engine oil should be checked at least once a month, maybe more, depending on how often you drive your vehicle. Consistent use will help prevent this dipstick from sticking or seizing as well. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, it's a huge help to me. If you're not a subscriber, then be sure to hit that subscribe button for more automotive tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.